Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC without data loss. This method is perfect for in-place upgrades. That is, if you are already on Windows 10 and want to keep all your files and applications. We will be using the product server method, which uses a command line parameter. This method tricks the installer into thinking it's installing a Windows server. Windows Server installations historically had fewer hardware restrictions. So, by tricking the installer into thinking we are installing Windows servers, it bypasses all major hardware checks, including TPM, CPU, secure boot, and RAM checks. Let's begin. So here, we have a Windows 10 PC that we want to upgrade to Windows 11. As you can see from the Windows Update page of the Settings app, the PC doesn't meet the requirements to run Windows 11. Here it says your PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. We can also check this using the PC Health Check app. So this is the app here. I'll put a link in the description on where you can download the app from. It's a Microsoft official app. Okay, so you just click on Check Now, and it will run the check for us. So here it says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements because of lack of TPM 2.0. So let's go ahead and install Windows 11 on it anyways. Before we begin, let's confirm some preparatory actions. First, make sure you are running Windows 10, which we are. Second, ensure that you have backed up your files. Third, we'll go ahead and download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft website. I have already downloaded the ISO file. This is it here, Windows 11. But I'll show you how to do that also. So just open your favorite browser and type Windows 11 ISO download. That's it. And enter. So we click on the Microsoft website here. So we scroll down. We are looking for Windows 11 ISO. That's it here. Windows 11 ISO. So we click on this download, select this option here and confirm. And then we select the product language. Before we do this, it's essential that you select the language that matches your current Windows 10 language. So to do that, you can go to Settings, go to Homes, and then go to Time and Language, and go to Language. So you can see for this Windows 10 PC, the language is English United Kingdom. This is important. So let's go back now to where to download the ISO. So now there are two options here actually for the English language. One is for the United States and then every other English language version. So for UK, Canada, Australia, you go with English International. So I'm going to select that. And then we confirm. And then you click on 64-bit download. And then the download will begin. I'm going to stop this now because I already have it downloaded here. This is it here. All right. So now we double click on the ISO file to mount it. It will open like a folder. So once you mount your ISO, note the letter, the drive letter. Here it says E, right? So now we are going to open command prompt as an administrator. So just type CMD in the search bar. And then on the command prompt, right click it and then click run as administrator. Yes. Now just type in that same drive letter. Mine is E, colon, and enter. Now type in this exact command, setupprep.exe /product server. There's a space between the product and the server, and then press enter. This will launch Windows and it will run it as if it were installing a server. So you see, it says install Windows Server. Don't worry about this. We are just tricking the system to not check for the hardware requirements. So click on change how setup downloads. You can either click on next, but I don't want it to download update drivers and optional features because of time. So I'll click on not right now and next. And that's it. It has given us the option to continue the installation. Accept. Now this is where you determine whether you want to do an in-place upgrade where you get to keep all your files and folders or not. So we're going to select this first option to keep files, settings and apps because we want to do an in-place upgrade, and click on next. So click on install, and that's it. It has begun installing the Windows 11 on our PC. We'll come back once the installation has completed. And here it is, our brand new Windows 11 OS running on an unsupported PC. You have your centralized start menu and taskbar. That's how you use the product server trick to bypass Windows 11 hardware checks. In some builds, this method may be blocked. If you get an error, try using setupprep.exe instead of setup.exe at the command line. Alternatively, you can use an older Windows 11 ISO or switch to another bypass method. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. And please, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials in this series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.